This tutorial will help you pay and report payroll taxes, DE88, in eServices for Business. We will begin at the eServices for Business homepage. Select Make a Payment from the Account panel. This screen displays the different types of payments you can make. You can make an ACH debit payment to have the funds debited from your bank account, or you can make a card payment. For this example, we selected Pay and Report Payroll Taxes, DE88. Select the period for your payment. You can make a DE88 payment for the previous, current, or next quarter. Select Next to continue. Here you will provide your bank account information for your payment. Enter the routing number. The bank name will automatically populate based on the routing number you entered. Enter the account number, then confirm the account number. Select the bank account type. Select Yes to save this payment source. The bank debit date is the date the funds will be debited from your bank account. The date defaults to the earliest bank debit date, but you can enter a date as far as 90 days ahead. Payments submitted on weekdays before 3 p.m. Pacific Time, except holidays, will be debited from your bank on the next business day. Enter the total payment amount, then confirm the amount. Select your deposit schedule. The deposit schedule is based on your federal deposit schedule, but you may need to deposit employee withholdings more often if you withhold more than $350 in personal income tax. Enter the date wages were paid to your employees during the period covered for your DE88 payment. Enter the contribution and withholding amounts for your DE88 payment, including any penalty and interest. The payment total is calculated for you based on the amounts you entered. Verify the total of the amounts you entered match the payment total. Select Next to continue. Review your account and payment information. If you need to make changes, select Previous. If the information is correct, select Submit. Select OK to authorize the Employment Development Department to debit your bank account for the payment amount you submitted. This confirmation acts as your electronic signature. This is your confirmation that your DE88 payment was submitted. Make note of your confirmation number or print a copy for your records. Then select OK. You can make another payment or select eServices for Business to return to the home page. To view your submitted payment, select More from the eServices for Business homepage. Select Search Submissions. Select the title of the request. Here you can see the payment you submitted, the status, and the confirmation number. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to pay and report a DE88. Be sure to watch our other tutorials on how to file a tax return and wage report, get your UI rate, and the many other actions available in eServices for Business. Other resources are available at edd.ca.gov or by calling the Taxpayer Assistance Center at 1-888-745-3886.